Are you looking to use ChatGPT, the amazing AI-powered chatbot, on your mobile device? In this video, I will show you how to utilize the revolutionary ChatGPT chatbot that can write essays, answer questions, and more. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how to use this innovative chatbot and make your life easier. To get started, open up any web browser you like. I'm on my iPhone, so I'll just open up the Safari browser. And then tap the URL bar and enter chat.openai.com. Tap Go. And it will take you to this exact page right here. So now what you want to do next is log into your account on ChatGPT. If you don't already have an account, just tap on the Sign Up button, follow the on-screen instructions, and create your account. I already have an account, so I'm going to tap Login. Bear with me while I log into my ChatGPT account. After you log into your ChatGPT account, you will see something like this. This looks exactly like on PC but optimized for mobile. Now you can simply tap over here and type whatever you want. For example, I'm going to enter how to lose weight without working out. So I asked Chatbot a question, and as you can see, it provided me with the answer or the solution for how I can do that. You can ask pretty much anything and the AI bot is going to answer it, but it has limited knowledge of the world and events after 2021, so keep that in mind. If you want more content, you can just ask it to write more, and it will do that. You can easily write emails, scripts, social media posts, blog posts, and many more from your phone just by using this tool. But as I said before, make sure to fact-check before you do anything because, at the end of the day, these AI technologies are still not perfect. If you want to start a new chat, tap on these three lines at the top left corner of the screen and simply select New Chat. And also, if you used ChatGPT on a desktop or any other device, those chats will be visible over here, and you can access them and continue them on your mobile phone. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.